and a grand and glorious morning to you. Today, we don't have just one unboxing, not just two unboxing, but we have, yes, three unboxings. Are you ready? Unboxing number one. It's going to be a big one. It's from Uline. So, for those of you who know what Uline makes, this word here probably is giving you out a hint. The last time I bought some of these, they were for some Kickstarter I did for my first deck of cards. Took me a long time to use up all those because, I was very optimistic and bought a bunch. And they filled up my storage unit. Anyway, those were all a much larger size because the prints I was selling then were very large, but I ended up not making that many very large prints. This, I found that most people buy prints that are 11 by 17. So guess what? Here we have, take a look at this. Special flyer on flammable storage cabinets and a new Uline catalog. Much thinner than the other catalogs. I just tossed out my last one because I figured they always send me a new one with the packaging. So these are the tubes I'm going with now. And here's my bag of caps. So I picked up 50 of these things. And these measure 15 inches. Give myself a little bit more space, I was thinking. That should work just fine. So there we go. A box of shipping tubes for my posters with a 2-inch diameter. The other tubes were even larger because not only were the prints bigger, I didn't want to crimp them up, make them roll tight, but they were also large enough that I could just put a deck of cards in them. So that's package number one. Now we're moving on to package number two. This is from the Bellingham Comic Con. Let's see what my friend Eric has sent me. I'll be tabling at the Bellingham Comic Con. These are promotional postcards for the Bellingham Comic Con. There's the QR code, so you can just hold your camera up to that and learn all about it. I know where I'm going to distribute these. I had them send me 50. Or wait a minute, did I only ask for 25? Looks like I only asked for 25. I should have asked for 50 because I'm going to take these to a couple places, a couple comic book shops I have. That will keep Eric from having to distribute them himself. On to package number 3. Put that down there. You guessed it. It is a sticker mule. So it's a matter of what sticker did he get this time? Now, later on, not in a couple weeks, my friend Stan and I are going to be tabling at the Olympia Armory for Oli Sticker Fest. It's a convention where you sell only stickers. We figured we got lots of stickers. bunch of stuff fell out. Let me pick those off the floor. So what do we got? We got some Stimulus. If you subscribe to Stimulus, you'll hear about the Sticker Mule deals. There's also a Sticker Mule sticker and a little Sticker Mule logo sticker. And then they've got a little production sticker. These stickers are from the movie They Live. And they're clear. The edges are clear. I would have liked to have, white framed cutouts or maybe even black, but I figured it's a clear sticker. It's die cut. This is my first clear one. I didn't have anything specifically designed for a clear sticker. I'm going to have to come up with that. But hey, the nice thing about them is they're die cut. I like selling die cut stickers. I was running low on this particular design, so now that's back in stock. And I'm going to toss that over there into my box of stickers. And that's today's triple unboxing. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.